Hey y'all, hey friend, hey, I'm back on your screen, and in today's video I will be sharing with you how to make a bulletproof coffee. And for those of you that are interested in the keto lifestyle or doing keto, this is the perfect coffee for you. So let's get started. First thing you will need, of course, is coffee, which I've already brewed my coffee already. I have it ready to go. You will need the MCT oil, and you can get this online or at any of your GNC stores. They carry it. You will need some cinnamon. You will need some heavy cream, heavy whipping cream, sugar, and you will need your Kerrygold butter. Now I already showed you all in a previous video about this butter, so hopefully you already have it. So first what you want to do, we're going to take all of these products and we're going to put them in our blender. So I have my blender here already at the table. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour my coffee into the blender. It's already hot and ready. Can you see the steam? Can you see the steam, girl? I'm gonna pour it in here, which is a lot of coffee. Y'all see the steam? Yes. So anyway, the first ingredient we're gonna put in is the MCT oil. Now, if you do not have this oil on hand, if you have coconut oil, it works just the same. You can also use coconut oil. They basically the same thing. They do the same thing. However, you do want to make sure you measure this out because bulletproof coffee does make you relieve yourself. So be really, really careful when using this oil. So even though I have the coconut oil, today we're going to be using the MCT oil. You need 1 teaspoon of the oil. Now for someone like me, sometimes I have to double my portions because, you know, sometimes I need a little help. And if you use the coconut oil, you need to use 1 tablespoon of the coconut oil. So I'm going to go ahead and place my MCT oil in here in my measuring spoon. Make sure you invest in measuring spoons and measuring cups when you are doing the keto lifestyle. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my blender. Can you all see it? I hope you can. The next we're gonna use the butter, and you need a tablespoon of butter. So I kind of slice it in half and slice it down the middle. So you be the judge. This is what we're gonna call a tablespoon. Drop that in. The next ingredient will be the cinnamon. If you're a person that likes cinnamon, you can use how much you want. I like the taste of it in my coffee, but I don't like a lot. So I'm gonna use the 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm not gonna even keep it, and I'm also gonna half it in here. So just want a little bit of cinnamon in here. I don't know what I'm talking about, but I know cinnamon has great properties. So yeah, make sure you put your cinnamon in there. I don't know. And I have my sugar substitute. Remember I told you all we need Truvia when you're going to be doing the keto lifestyle. Right now I have the 1 tablespoon, and I'm going to put maybe 2 of these in here. Now keep in mind I do have flavored coffee, so I may not even need 2 teaspoons, but I'm going to be on the safe side. Put it in here, and I like my coffee sweet because I am a coffee drinker, and I used to put like 1,000 pounds of sugar in my coffee. So yeah, and of course I told you I use flavored coffee, so it helps out a whole lot. So this is what it's looking like now in the blender. Now before I add the cream in here, I want to show you all that you really do not even need the cream for this bulletproof coffee because the butter will give it its color. We're going to cream the butter, and it's just going to give it its color, the color we're used to when drinking coffee. So let's go on over to the blender. And guys, never mind the ingredients that you see on the counter, honey. We are about to do another video for you all. So yeah, we're going to do a keto breakfast, and yeah, that's what you're seeing there. But right now, we're going to go ahead and blend this. I'm gonna put my blender on here, down, power this on, and again you want to use the highest setting, and we're gonna blend.
Hey bro. What? Oh my God!
Oh girl, I'm like, what's wrong with it? We didn't put the extra butter. In order to blend, we have to have the blender in there.
We like, what?
Yeah, we go.
I can't see now. I gotta figure it out.
Turn around, you got it upside down and go like that.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
You sure?
I'm positive. That's it.
God, I hope I ain't mess up my blender.
You didn't.
My nice blender. I love my blender.
Now let's
See, as you can see, the butter has creamed in this coffee. However, because I love my cream, I will be adding some cream in here now. Because I like light skin coffee and sweet coffee. So that's why I'm going to add the cream. But as you can see, you don't need it. So I'm going to just pour some in here. We don't need a lot. Well, you don't need a lot. I do. And there you have it. You have your keto coffee. Let's go ahead and cup this up. Pour this up. I don't know what you want to say, but let's go ahead and put it in the coffee cup. Wipe this up. Clean as you go. And there you have it. You have your bulletproof coffee. Let's do a taste test. Delicious. So delicious. So okay, y'all, this includes the video. I hope you are able to make the best keto coffee. Let me add that if you had any whipped cream, you can whip some cream on here and then place a little cinnamon on top of that to jazz this up. Yeah, you didn't know you can have whipped cream during keto? Yes, you can. So, but anyway, like I was saying, this is the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you was able to take something from it. So as always, I ain't talking about nothing. I'll see y'all when I turn this camera back on. So until next time, until the next video, bye-bye. Yeah, but this coffee is great, but this coffee is great, but this coffee is